Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you. I hope you all are safe and enjoying your online classes as well as vacation. So today I am going to teach you Standard 2 Unit 7 and the chapter name is Mulan. This is the chapter is about one girl whose name is Mulan. Now, before starting the chapter, I request all of you to please stay at home and spend your quality time with your families, and you can play like indoor games, ludos, carom, and then PUBG. So whatever the game is there, indoor game, you just play and you can spend your quality time with your families and with your brother and sister, but don't fight with them. And I might guess that you guys had completed your healthy and delicious breakfast, so eat healthy and stay at home. Now this story is about the girl just now I have told you. So a long year ago, like a woman did not work outside of the home, but nowadays it happens the girls, they are going outside to do the jobs, different types of jobs like lawyer, then they are doing different types of jobs. There are some girls are playing the games, some are teachers, some are police officer. So it means what nowadays girls is what they are very powerful, and the girls, so don't compare the girls with boys. Nowadays we can't compare girls with boys because both are equals in our India. And so this is also a story like that. So let's start. Then General Tang left the emperor's army to spend his last year with his daughter and young son. So General Tang, who is army in their empire, and he wants to spend his last years with his daughter and his young son. Then Mulan has said, the General Tang said that now I can spend my time with my families. Then he said that now I just want to spend my last years with my families, my daughter and my young son. The general teaches his daughter Mulan how to fight with a sword. Sword is like when we are going in a war. So sword is like a metal tools which we are using when we are going to a war. So the general, he is teaching his daughter Mulan that how to fight with a sword. Then swings it up, hold it steady. Then he is just started teaching her how to use the sword. Then he just told her to swing it up and hold it steady. Then I can fight, but I cannot become a great soldier like my father because I am a girl. Then she think that I fight well, but I can't become a great soldier like my father because I am a girl. But nowadays we can see that girls, they are doing all the things what the boys are not doing. So they are doing the home, like they are cooking also, they are going outside to doing the job also. So it's a very difficult for the girls, for the women, that they are doing both at a one time. So nowadays the girl is very powerful. Then Mulan think that I can't fight like my father because I am a girl. Then the emperor sends his warriors to every village in China. War is coming. The emperor needs you. Join up now. Then all the emperors who are emperors send his warriors to every village of the China to send the message that war is coming and we need some army for the person to join the army so that we can go for a war. Then all men must join the emperor's army without delay. And he just hang out one notice and wrote something in notice and hang out on the door, every door, house of the door, and there written that you should just join the emperor armies without any delay. Then Mulan is very worried about her father, because her father, he have only 1 years on his life, so she is very worried about her father. Then, my father is too old for this. If he goes to fight, he will never come back, and my brother is too young. Then he think that my father is very too old, he can't go to in the war. If they goes to war to fight, then he will not come again, and my brother, he is also very young. So what I do? Then just watch the next videos that what she think and what she decided. So for the continuous chapter, you just watch the next videos, and I hope you guys are enjoying this chapter. And one more information for you all the students, that I'm giving you the homework like the word meaning in videos, and I'm giving you the written homework, question answer and objective types from the books. So you have to note down that all the homeworks in your code, in your copy, subject wise copies. So don't forget to do all the homeworks whenever the school will open, when the quarantines will over and there is all lockdown will finish. Then any time the school will open, and I will go through date by date chapters, and I want all the homeworks in your copies. It should be in good and clean handwriting and legible handwriting. And remember one thing, that first when you are starting a new chapter, you have to put the date whatever I am giving the date wise, and then chapter name, and then the word meaning, and then whatever the objective types and question answer. So I request just you have to do your homework. Thank you. And for this chapter Mulan, that what she decided to do, that you just watch the next video. Thank you.